Hi, I'm Mark from ESE Direct. Today we're looking at our Euro shelving product. Now Euro shelving is an incredibly versatile product, and the key design feature of it is its incredible strength. A typical shelf load will begin at 150, 160 kilos and go upwards from there. So it really is a very, very strong shelving system. It's manufactured in the UK, and the paint finish is a very high quality powder coat. So the standard variant for Euro shelving is an open end section which comprises of two formed uprights. These are heavy duty steel sections, and they're connected with formed bracing members. Those are riveted in place. So those form end uprights. We're looking at a short version today, but the standard height for these would be 1800 millimeters and working up from there. But there are also lower versions available as well. Euro shelving is a completely bolt-free system with just the odd exception. We're showing it with some bolted feet today, but generally all of the other components of the system are clipped together. That makes it quick and easy to assemble. The shelves on Euro shelving go into place with a cast aluminium clip, which is just concealed behind the upright and clips into the underside of the shelf here. That makes for a very solid connection between shelf and upright, but also allows for the shelves to be easily adjusted down the shelf positions, which are punched inside of the upright. So where is Euro shelving best for, and how can you take advantage of the strengths of the system? Well, as I've already said, it is an incredibly strong system. The shelves take a great deal of weight, and we'll often sell this type of product into places like auto parts stores, where people are stocking a large volume of heavy car components. Things like brake components can be very heavy, and you need a really solid, strong and reliable shelving product to cope with that amount of weight. So again, Euro shelving is all about the great strength of the system and the way that it builds together into a really rigid, solid product. So the standard shelf has a 40 millimeter profile. That's because there's some quite complicated forming of the shelf under here, which is how the shelf gets its strength from the folding of metal on the underside. The shelves are adjustable up and down the upright on these slots, which are at 50 millimeter centers. So there's quite good adjustability there. One feature is the end caps. Now, as standard, the shelving upright comes without these, but when the bay heights are lower, it's nice to have an end cap which will give you a finished surface at the top, which makes it safer. The standard product has open sides and open backs, and the bay gets its strength from a sophisticated cross bracing arrangement, which you can see here. With that in place, the bays are strong in the left to right direction. So there are other variants which are also available. So you can have solid sides and solid backs. So if you have components inside your bay that you want to keep retained, a solid back and solid sides will prevent migration of product from one bay to the next, for instance. There's quite a range of accessories. We're showing today some full height dividers here. Those come in a range of sizes to suit the shelf size that you have. Euro shelving is delivered in component form. So you'll receive ready assembled uprights, you'll receive packs of shelves, packs of shelf clips, and if you're ordering multiple bays, you'll also need bracing at the back to make those bays rigid. In order to assemble it, that's most easily done with two people working together, but it's quick and easy to assemble because of the absence of nuts and bolts. I would tend to use a soft-faced mallet. That speeds up the assembly process. So, with the standard bays that we offer, you'll receive a set number of shelves, but additional shelves are also available if you need extra. The heights that are available, the standard height is 1800 millimeters, so that's going to be about here, and then extra heights are available at 2.1 meters. But if your requirement is for a more specific height that you can't see in the standard range, you just need to call us because those are available. The standard width that we supply is 1 meter, which you can see here, left to right. There are a very considerable number of options for shorter and wider bay widths as well. It's kind of the same in the depth. We can start at 300 millimeters and we can go out to 1 meter deep. So there's a lot of variants which are available, height, width and depth also. Colour of uprights, we've got the dark grey variant shown here, but it's also available in blue. And again, there's a wider range of colour options which are available just on a phone call. So that's a roundup of the Euro shelving system. It's a very, very strong shelving bay. So if you've got heavy loads that you want to confidently carry, Euro shelving is a really good answer. If you've got any further technical questions, please just ring one of the sales staff on the number on the web page, and thank you for watching and see you again next time.